Oh, last time we saw the basics of a DS algorithm. Now we'll see the code which is added with a triple DS. So triple DS is nothing but running the DS algorithm with three keys three times. That is called as a triple DS algorithm. Now we'll see the code of a triple DS algorithm. Now starting, there is a function called hexa2 binary. So we are entering a plain text of a in a form of an hexadecimal number. So but we are converting it to binary because the computer understands any text in the form of a zeros and ones. So it will convert any plain text into hexadecimal to binary. And here this function will convert a binary number into an hexadecimal number, and this function will convert a binary number into a decimal number, and this function will convert a decimal number into a binary number. Now, before seeing or before going through these functions, we'll see some topics we are covered in last previous video. That is initial permutation. This initial permutation is nothing but when we entered a plain text, that plain text is gone through this initial permutation of 64 bit, and our 64 bit this is after going to initial permutation we'll get a 64 bit. So this is initial permutation, and this is called expansion permutation. This expansion permutation, after going into the initial permutation, we'll transfer our bytes into expansion permutation, and we will get a 48 bit. And this is the final permutation, and these are the x boxes. These are the x boxes, and this is the final permutation. Now let's see what is really happening in the code. Now, for example, now here we are starting to enter a plain text, and we entered one plain text, and here they're saying it is enter key value, so we entered one key value. Now we'll see where it is starting the execution. Now here, from here the execution starts. Now there is a function called k, and we are transferring the key into it. So this is the function called k, and it start execution from here. Now the key which we entered is first converted into a binary number. After converting into a binary number, it is applied into a permuted choice 1. This is a permuted choice 1. After applying into this permuted choice 1, we are getting a 28 bit and 28 bit. This 28 bit and 28 bit is applied to the shift table, left shift table. After applying this 28 bit and 28 bit to the left shift table, we are applying it to the key comparison. This is called permuted choice 2. After applying this permuted choice 2, the 56 bit key is converted into 28 bits, 48 bits. Now RKB is called a round. RK is also called as a round. Now here shifting operations here it will take place. Now these are round key. Now round this is left shift and this is right shift. Now we are doing permutation here. So permute combined string comma key comparison. Combined string means we got a left part and right part from 28 bit. The 28 plus 28 bit is combined, and that is a combination string, and this key comparison. This key comparison is nothing but we are sending here after to the permuted choice 2, and then we are getting one round key of 48 bit. Now we are appending everything. Now let's see what is happening here. Permute function. Let's go for a permute function. So this is a permute function. The 48 bit which we got from there will come into this 48 bit, and we'll get a final permutation value of 48 bit. Now let's see for a plain text what is happening. So in this plain text, it will take the plain text, and it will take the RKB value and RK value which is written from this key function, k function. Now in this, first it will take the plain text and it will convert into a by hexadecimal text, and it will convert into a plain text, and it is applying the initial permutation here, and the left part is divided into left part and right part is divided, and there is a for I in the range of 16. We are writing for I in the range of 16 because there are 16 rounds performed in it. Now right, we'll get after expanding we'll get after doing permutations we'll get, so we're XORing here with this key one, and these are X boxes. So X boxes means it will take a input as a 6 bit. It will take input as 8. There are totally 8 boxes. So each X box will take a input as a 6 bit, and it will give 4 bits. So total output from an X box we will get 32 bits. So these are the operations which will be performed, and we will get a ciphertext, and last we'll get ciphertext. For the clear understanding, Now let's see for a well. Let's rerun the code and let's see properly. Now first it is telling we should enter a plain text. A plain text which is in the form of an hexadecimal. Now I'm entering some plain text in hexadecimal. I entered a plain text in hexadecimal. Now it is telling enter key 1. After entering, we are telling that entering key 1, so I'm entering key, first key. Now as we can see, after entering key 1, the plain text is encrypted with the key 1 and we got a ciphertext of 85E8135440AB405. Now you want to enter second key for the decryption process. Now second key for the decryption process. Now the second key, what is the second key for decryption process is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry, 1 minute. When it enter a 16-bit key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we entered a second key. Now after entering the second key, the ciphertext which we got from the first key is decrypted and we got the plain text as 45BA79D2841303332. Now it is telling to enter third key for encryption of this plain text. Now we are entering a third key. Now our third key is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We entered a third key here. Now after entering the third key, we got a new ciphertext as 1CCFBF9D1E. Now the decryption process started. In the first decryption process, this new ciphertext is decrypted and we got this plain text. Now we'll enter the same thing, this plain text here to encrypt with K2. We're entering the text. Now after encryption of this one, we got a plain text like 85E8135440F0AB405. Now it is telling enter the value of key 1 to decrypt this text. After entering the key 1, we got a plain text as 01234567889ABCDF. Now as we seen, we entered a plain text as 1230 up to F. After entering this one, it got encrypted 3 times and we got a new ciphertext as 1CCFB. And we are decrypting it 3 times and at last finally we got 0123. So it mainly triple DS means we are running an encryption process or running a DS algorithm for 3 times and we got a ciphertext and we got a decryption also is done. So this is how the code works. Thank you, sir.